Okay, in 3D Studio I'm in the process, and I just set it to the default renderer for this one, the process of drawing a logo. I've created an E up here, you know, snap to grid, grid lines only. I'm in like default metric. I just started a you know, just a new scene, and I've created a C here. So I'll continue. Had to make sure I'm set it at endpoints only because it was selecting other geometry outside of the grid there. Okay. In the line command. Drawing around grid points. Closing the end of this line. Okay, now all three letters are drawn in three different planes. Oh, and for some reason too, I also got set to perspective, and I got show safe frames, whatever that means. Okay, I'm gonna accept, you know, grab all three letters and apply an extrude modifier. Let's see, extrude. Okay, I've had to scale them up to 50 units. Although this is going to be imprecise. Oh, you gotta be shitting me. Okay, I had to fudge it. It's probably all at the wrong fucking scale now. Who knows? Goddamn thing. Okay, now I'm in Pro Boolean, and we're gonna start doing some Boolean ops on this.
Select the two other letters in the scene.
I don't know if I got everything or not. That's G, that's E, that's another E, and that's C, I guess. I don't know what the fuck that is. Okay, we're going to convert this to an editable poly and chamfer the edges. You got to select them all. I don't know if they're selected or not. Let's see, chamfer. Where the shit's chamfer at? Okay, let's go adjust the damn pivot point in the hierarchy panel. I don't know which one I'm looking at here.
Align it to the world.
Okay, let's you know, align it to the world, and then center to object. And turn this sumbitch off.
You still need a surface to project the shadows onto.
Okay, yeah. And the top's what we're going to be working with. Anyway, Okay, so I created the box, convert to editable poly, go into here, select these spaces and delete them, and it's got us a box for our showcase. Now we're giving it a minimal thickness for some reason using the shell modifier. And now I'll do that. Yeah, it's got a thickness to it. Alright. So we're going to add lights, but I'm going to choose just a standard and a free direct. Yeah, putting these lights in here has been difficult, and you know, I had to go into here to turn the lighting on. Somewhere. Yeah, lighting and shadows. You know, so it's not default lighting, but scene lights. And you know, trying to get this light. You know, I had to really increase its size and all this other bullshit over here, just so it's not some little laser beam. Okay, but now I gotta make some more adjustments to fall off, apparently. Not like that, I suppose. There's a test render. It looks pretty good, except I think that's in the way, but anyway. I'm just trying to clone these lights because I don't want to go through that pain in the ass process again and get them set up right, since everything's shrunken in this fucking thing for some stupid reason. It's been a constant problem since day one. You know, shift drag, I guess I had to do it from the top. I got my angle snap set. Create an instance. There. There. Okay, so we got the logos coming from 3 different directions. And if we need to, we can move the walls. Got a better look at the logos. Guess I moved it a little far though. Okay. Jeepers. That blows. I have to adjust the fall off of some of those lights or something. I don't think they're affected. No. Maybe they are. No, it doesn't make any difference. They're pretty much linear. Let's see. Let me adjust the size of the fall off. Oh hell, they're all instance linked. Shit. Oh. Anyway. Alright, I had to go, you know, do the make unique thing to attach it, since it was an instance of the other light. Alright, I hit Control C to create
Animate
the
the camera. Extend the animation to 450 frames. That's
Control C created a camera, I guess, based on this view. Automatically pointed at it, so
about 15 seconds for an NTSC signal. Go to frame 360 and select both the camera and its target. Right-click the slider bar and create position keys for animate the camera.
Alright, of course I had to go adjust the camera view to, you know, get a closer view than I had when I created it. fucking piece of shit. That's just for test. Okay, let's extend it to 450 frames. Remember, I had this little thing down here I had to click to get there. Okay, I right-click I'm selecting the camera in as target, and I right-click the slider bar to bring this up. And I'm going to do that and create a keyframe.
Enable auto key mode.
Alright, we go to frame 0. Set auto key on. I probably should have done that first, I don't know. I'm going to reposition the camera and its target to get a shot like inside the logo. This is probably good enough for me, I guess. That's real. Okay, whatever.
Play the animation. You need to slow down the first bit of travel. Go to frame 160 and bring the camera closer to the logo. Adjust the target accordingly.
Okay, I don't know, I probably already messed this damn thing up. But it's actually okay to rotate the camera. Fuck. Okay. Perfect. Anyway, trying to hunt for material libraries, this stupid thing. There's gotta be. Oh shit. Fucking keeps going back to this fucking piece of crap. Oh. This stuff. This is basically anyway, right after spending like an hour fucking around having to create my own fucking materials, it's about the best I can come up with. Anyway. Okay, well here's the fucking video. Almost a damn gigabyte for 15 seconds of fucking rendering. Unbelievable.